It's pretty cool too. Oh, who is it? Come on in. What do you want, ma'am? Actually, I needed to talk to you, Savannah. What is it, of course? Well, your friend, Maggie, has died. I'm very sorry to say that. That's why your father wouldn't let me ring the doorbell. I'm truly sorry. Wait a second. Who are you? Your boss. Who are you exactly? Your worst nightmare. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Savannah, wake up. Savannah, who are you? Oh. You're not a monster, are you? No, I'm not. I need to tell you something. Did you hear what I said? No, just tell me. Well, your substitute teacher, your homeschool teacher, she can't teach anymore, unfortunately. I really am sorry. I think she got fired. Wait a second. Who are you? I'm actually the owner of the company for the teachers. But sorry. Goodbye. Well, that's weird. Very weird. How can my teacher get fired? How? That's my question. Why would my teacher get fired? She's a good teacher. Now I won't be able to get a sub anymore. I mean a homeschooler. My homeschooler teacher. I'm really gonna truly miss her. Yeah, it's true, people. I got homeschooled, unfortunately. Homeschooled? Well, I have no other thing to say. Savannah, please come here. Yes, Mom. Savannah, honey. We're going to be leaving today, and I have an important job for you. Yeah, Mom? What important job is that? Well, your father and I are going to be leaving in a few hours. Yeah, so you're going to make me watch them tonight? This will be an interesting job. Yes, honey. Also, we're going to leave Dad's knife behind in case anybody comes in and tries to kill you guys. If they do, you can stab them with a knife. Okay, Mom. I don't think I'm going to really need to stab anyone. But thanks. Also, honey, you and the kids have been begging me for blankets. We finally got you some. But they were expensive, okay? So you better say thank you. The kids are upstairs in their beds sleeping. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for the blankets, Mother. And, yeah, I think they are sleeping. Cool. Also, honey, there's a bird outside. If they've seen the bird, make sure they leave the bird alone. Also, I will give you permission to feed it, okay? Make sure you feed it eggs. There's some eggs in the refrigerator, okay? It's okay, Mom. You can totally trust me. Besides, I'm really good with it. Thank you guys so much for letting us stay and be by ourselves, kind of, because we really think we should be by ourselves a little bit. But thank you so much, Mom. You're the best mom ever. So, yeah, honey, are you okay? If you're not, we can always call in a babysitter. No, Mom, I'm fine with it. I'm totally fine with it. It's just I've never babysat kids before. But I'm 16 and I think I can do it. Don't worry, Mom. I won't let you down. I promise. Well, your father... I'm glad, honey, you're excited about this. Anyways, be good while we're gone, okay? We'll be leaving here in 2 hours from now, okay? Remember, do not let the kids do whatever they want. They may watch some TV, and they must go to bed, okay? Oh, well, that's good to hear, Mom. Pretty cool. Well, see you, honey. Mothers. Hey, Mom, come here for a second. Yes, what is it, honey? I was wondering if you wanted to do something. Let me whisper in your ear. Thank you. I'll call him. Sure, Savannah. What is it? Oh, okay. Well, let's go to the barn then. Well, here we are, honey. It's not much, but this is where we're going to talk. Here. Thank you, honey. Let's go somewhere else. Fine. Look, Savannah, you know you didn't have to make perfect. It's fine, and I can understand. I know, Nathan, but I just like to. Oh, and one thing, have you broken up with that Rachel girl yet? Because she has gotten on my nerves lately. Oh, I forgot about Rachel. I'm sorry. Actually, we haven't kissed for 5 months. Well, so, yeah, I'll probably break up with her soon. Thanks for letting me know about that, Savannah. How may I help you, you two lovely little couple? Actually, stranger, if you'd be nice if you could just leave me and Savannah alone in this place, please. Okay, well then I'll leave you two alone. Now, where were we? Oh, let's get this started. Are you okay, Lake? Savannah, are you okay? Oh, Nathan, I forgot. I actually have to go home now. It's past an hour already. I really, truly am sorry. But we at least got to spend some time together, right? Okay, yeah, Savannah, I sure will. I'll make sure I break up with Rachel, okay? I promise you, and then we'll never be together again. Sorry you can't really spend so much time with me because of the king. But it's at least a good time to spend some time with you. Thank you. Well, let's go. I will be nice to open the door for you. There you go. Enjoy. After you, my wife. Thank you. Kids. Yeah, Nate, I'll see you next time. Daddy, don't! You know what I said. Get him out of here. I'm sorry, get out of my house, okay? What did I tell you? Not to go out with that boy anymore. But Daddy, you don't understand. He loves me, and I love him. You know what, Daddy? I hate you, and I wish I was never your father. You know what? Fine. I'll never go out with him until I'm not near you. I hate you. Daughters. To be continued, and here's a part that got left off. Young lady, listen to me here. If I see you going out with that boy again, it's death, and I'm not kidding. Fine.